Lumenpick.com creates a strong first impression, but when you go through it carefully, it starts to feel less like a proper brand and more like something built mainly to convince you quickly. Let's start with the product itself, because that's where things get interesting. When you actually explore Lumenpick.com, there isn't a wide range of products like the homepage suggests. Instead, it mainly revolves around a very limited selection, and in some cases, even a single product. That already tells you this isn't a full-scale store, it's more like a product-focused setup. Now look at how that product is presented. The images look clean and attractive. Everything is designed to make the product feel high quality and worth buying. But the presentation is very controlled, you don't see much variety or real-world usage beyond what the website wants to show. Next comes pricing. This is one of the biggest attention-grabbing elements. The product is shown with a heavy discount, something like a much higher original price crossed out and a very low sale price. When you see that kind of pricing structure, it's usually meant to create urgency and push quick decisions. And it's not just occasional, the entire offer is built around that discount feeling. Now let's talk about product description. The description is written in a very promotional way. It highlights comfort, quality, and value, but it doesn't go very deep into technical or detailed information. It's more focused on selling the idea rather than explaining the product in depth. Moving to the website design. At first glance, the design looks clean and modern. It uses simple layouts, trust badges, and smooth navigation. But if you look closely, it feels quite basic. It doesn't have the depth or detail you'd expect from a well-established brand with a wide product range. Now let's check the trust-building elements. The website shows things like thousands of happy customers, high ratings, and worldwide trust. But all of this is displayed within the site itself. There isn't much strong, verifiable backing outside of what the website is telling you. That's something you should always keep in mind. Now let's move to the About section. The website gives a general explanation about offering good products at better prices, but it stays very surface level. It doesn't clearly explain who runs the business, where it is based, or how long it has been operating. That lack of depth makes it harder to fully trust the brand. Contact details are also quite limited. You mainly get an email for support. There's no clear phone number or detailed business address, which can be a concern if something goes wrong with your order. Now let's talk about shipping. The website claims fast delivery, usually within a few days, and mentions worldwide shipping. That sounds good, but the information is quite general. It doesn't go into detailed timelines or possible delays. The return and refund policy is also presented in a very simple way. It mentions a return window and money-back guarantee, which looks reassuring on the surface. But as always, the real experience depends on how smoothly that process actually works in real situations. Payment methods are standard. The website supports common options like card payments and secure checkout systems, which is expected for most online stores. Now let's come to one of the most important parts, customer experience. While the website shows strong positive reviews, there are clear patterns of negative experiences outside the site. People have reported issues like not receiving orders, unclear tracking, and difficulty getting proper support. That contrast between what the website shows and what some buyers experience is something you should not ignore. Finally, let's talk about website age and overall trust. The website gives the impression of being well established, but it doesn't provide strong proof of a long history or a clear business identity. That makes it feel newer or less transparent than it claims. When you connect everything together, Lumenpick.com looks like a product-focused store with strong marketing, attractive pricing, and a clean design. But at the same time, there are gaps in transparency, limited product range, and mixed customer experiences that increase the risk. So it's not just about how good the offer looks, it's about how much you can actually verify. If you're thinking about buying from this website, take your time, check everything carefully, and don't rush based on discounts alone. Because with stores like this, the biggest difference shows up after the purchase, not before. And if you want more genuine website reviews like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.